Found a little firecracker alongside the road. Somebody shot out of their car. We were going to torch off.
Mom, can you please get Coda to
All right, Lou.
shut up.
Uh-oh, you're about to hear a big ass boom, babe.
Run, Lou. Run.
It's gonna work?
Get your gimpy ass away from there before you freaking get hurt.
Holy shit!
Woo!
Those things
Damn.
Oh, that's loud.
I should have come flying at me.
Dylan would have loved that.
Feel the pressure.
I think
I
Bella
did too.
just peed a little on my slipper. I think I just
That
peed
was
a little.
awesome. What happened to your tree, dude? That was a neat. Oh my god.
that used to be round.
Can't see it all that well here. Let's see if I can turn a
Blew
light
the
on.
front half of it clean off.
Holy shit!
Let's see. The light. Auto.
No, Mom, seriously, the whole front.
It was sitting on that stump.
Oh, man. You wrecked Bella's stomach.
Wow. That's one way to remove a stump.